Struggling with stubborn weight that just won't budge no matter what you try? Did you know that water could be the key to unlock faster fat loss? There are simple ancient Ayurvedic tricks that can supercharge your metabolism, flush out toxins, and help you shed those extra kilos, all while keeping you hydrated. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra. Welcome to eBlosis. In this video, we will dive into what detox water is, how it can aid in weight loss through an Ayurvedic perspective. I will show you how detox water with powerful Ayurvedic ingredients can become your secret weapon for weight loss. I will also share some effective recipes that I have seen work wonders in my 15 years of practice. You can start using today. In Ayurveda, it's always about enhancing your Agni, digestive fire, and eliminating Ama, toxins. Being overweight is often seen as an imbalance of Kapha dosha, leading to an excess of a Meda dhatu, that is adipose tissues. Detox water targets these imbalances by cleansing your body, supporting digestion, and optimizing your metabolism. So the question is, how detox water helps in weight loss? Detox water can help break the cycle of impaired tissue formation and accumulation of a Meda dhatu. It works by boosting digestion and promoting the removal of toxins, ensuring the body's function at its best, which ultimately aids in fat loss. Let's discover some effective detox water recipes. Number 1. Dill seeds, cumin, and coriander water. This simple combination balances Kapha dosha and helps stock your Agni. It promotes digestion and helps flush out excess water retention, which is a key for reducing bloating. Number 2 is aloe vera, cucumber, and mint water. A cooling detox drink. This combo not only aids in hydration but also helps cleanse the digestive system and boosts metabolism. Number 3 is my favorite. So it's 1 drop of a shilajit plus the pinch of black pepper. Shilajit is known for its scrapping, rejuvenating properties, enhancing stamina, and detoxifying the body on a deep level. And it goes well with the black pepper that activates metabolism. Number 4 is ginger lemon detox water. A classic, this drink stimulates digestion and boosts metabolism. Ginger is warming and aids in breaking down excess fat, while lemon is a natural cleanser. Number 5 is the combination of herbs. So it's Kutki, Chitrak, and Punanava detox water. This trio of herbs work on the deeper level of detoxification. Kutki and Punanava cleanses the liver and promote fat metabolism, while Chitrak ignites your Agni, making this a potent weight loss water. Take control of your health and weight with these Ayurvedic detox water recipes. Start by trying one today. I want to hear about your progress. Let me know which one worked best for you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more transformative tips to detox, boost your energy, and achieve your wellness goals. Let's detox and thrive together. See you in the next video. Until then, lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.